Hi everyone, Archana here. Today I would like to show you how to make fuchsias using papers. Last week I gave a tutorial using foam. So this is the branch you might remember, which is foam flower branch. So delicate, so pretty. And I have used this like silk store-bought leaves. I'm sorry, it came out. I will stick it later on, but I have made these paper fuchsias and this whole branch is handmade, including these cute little leaves, and leaves are also made out of that 5-petal punch using green paper and individually cut 5 petals and made these cute little leaves. They are very easy to make, so I'm not giving tutorial for leaves, so you will get an idea how to make them looking at this. I just gave the shape and then I stick on the small little floral wire, and these are the flowers. You can see, so cute. They look also super delicate even though these are papers. I have used same technique, so I will show you how to make these fuchsias. These petals I just gave cup shape, that's it. I never use any other technique for these ones. Just get the petal and make a cup shape, but today I'm going to show you the curl one. So this one is little bit curly flower, so some fuchsias are curly, so this one I'm going to show you. So I'm so happy looking at this branch. I hope you will like it. I forgot to color this white part, but they look pretty natural, don't worry about it. But since this wax paper, you have to color it later on with your marker and match with this back side. But if you keep it like that, that's fine, you know. So this paper, so this flower I gave little bit color right here, but you can see it's different than this one since it's a floral tape and it has a wax. So I'll explain it later on in my tutorial. But looking at this one, can you feel the difference? Can you see the difference? They look pretty same, right? So let's get started. We have our usual tools here: 2 punches and 2 inks and tool, this ball tool, and water bottle. What else? Stamens. So I have a little bit darker stamens and one white stamen, and two color in these floral wire, and a glue. So let's get started. So first of all, we need to color these petals. So we need 2 different colors. So for this part, this is actual petal part, and this one is the top part of the fuchsia. So this one we will coloring in a light color, and this one will be in a little bit brighter color. So this one. So as I showed you in my foam flower tutorial, we are coloring from center to towards the tip. So don't go further till the tip, just like that. So this one you need to color till the top, tippy top. Or if you have this color paper, please feel free to use, that would be easy. On both sides. Our coloring part is done, hopefully. And let's give some water bath to these petals. So you don't need for this one, but this one. So I'll keep it on the mat right here and lightly spray the water on both sides. And we need to fold them in a half like that, or if you want individually shape them, feel free to do it. I'll show you on this flower, but if you are making so many flowers at a time, just fold it like this. I hope you got it. And then just twist it like that, just like you remember if you are following my flower tutorial since I started. We did this technique on our gardenias. So like this one, just twist it and that's it, and then open it gently. So I'm showing you that curly type of fuchsia. So some fuchsia has really nice cup shaped petals, just like this one, just like these ones, the first one, this one, or yeah, first one, and this one I made it little bit curls. And open it like that, and same thing we are doing this one, but individually just turn it like that, like just twist it like our gardenia, like that, and that's it. And then get your mat and give them a little bit shape, like cup shape. That's it. And you don't need to keep that twisted effect, okay? So just to give some kind of curl effect, we are just doing this step. But when you are giving this cup shape, it might change the shape, but we don't need that proper prominent twist. So or you can just feel free to curl it as per you feel better. We just need them curl, not like very straight cup shapes. More time I'm showing you. So this one, so keep it like that if you want them like this, they look pretty. And then this, for this one, the same thing we are doing, from tip to the center, just roll it like this. All right, and then open it. We don't need this kind of rolled. This stem and string, you need the longer stem, okay? So always get the long wire, at least 4 to 6 inches, 4 to 5 inches, since the fuchsias are always like hanging down, so we need that flexibility and long stem. So just insert the wire like this and get your glue. I got the new glue bottle and it's teeny tiny. I liked it. The big bottle, if you are using more often, the remaining leftover glue tend to be dry a little bit and it will not come out fast. So I am glad I got the small bottle. So get teeny tiny glue right here. Oh, it's easy to work. I like it. And it's not heavy though. And then next petal we will just overlapping it like this. And then one more glue dot. And then this part. My wire is a little bit thick, I guess, so it's not going in. So let me make the hole little bit bigger. This one. Now there you go. Okay, and now we need to make this fluffy part right here, but this flower is already looking gorgeous. So for this fluffy part we are using our white wire. Put little bit glue and just use this wire as much as you want, but if you don't want to waste your wire, as I told you, you can use some tissue paper. So when you are rolling, push it towards the flower. And now take this like that, and for this white part, of course you need to color, but if you want, you can keep it like that actually. So you can color that with the ink, the white part, just like we did it last time. Otherwise, since this tape has a waxed effect, this color will not be match with this actual color. So you know, it looks like a transparent kind of thing. So use the marker. Let's see, this marker will work or not. So use the marker and color it. Oh, it's dry. I'm sorry. I had my Copic here somewhere, but I couldn't find it. But you got an idea. You just need to color it nicely, seamlessly. If this edge, this part, color it nicely, then flower looks fine. And here is our flower done. We need some green tape here, like that. This. And our paper fuchsia is done. It's super easy. Just follow the same technique as foam one. This is cute, right? Pretty fuchsia. You can see they are almost same. But the foam one are very delicate, soft. If you touch them, otherwise if you look them, they almost look same. I hope you will find this tutorial helpful, and I'll see you on next Friday. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.